Right then, we've got another installation video for you today and another collaboration with Ramair. So this kit is for the Amaroks, the 3 litres specifically. This one has already got our turbo upgrade on there, but the kit that we're going to be fitting today will fit our upgrade as well as the standard turbo. So we're going to be removing this big dirty airbox and installing this nice new induction kit, open cone filter, all branded up, heat shield, got the silicons, the clamps and everything that you need. As with most of these kits, installation should be pretty straightforward, although this is going to be the first one that we've done. So we'll see how it goes, but usually it's pretty easy to install, quite simple tools and generally about half an hour. So we'll let Ruben crack on with the installation and we'll let you know how long it takes when he's done. So just before we get started on the install, we've got out all the tools that we need to do the job. So we've got a posi drive, we've got a 7mm, 10mm, a 13mm, a couple of ratchets, a T30 Torx bit, 3mm Allen key, a 4mm Allen key, a couple of long extensions, oh, not a good catch, 2.5mm Allen key, and then a 13mm spanner as well. So a little bit needed for this kit, but nothing that you wouldn't get in a standard Alfred's toolkit. So let's get cracking. So the kit is all installed, really nice looking kit, nice enclosure that should protect the filter from the heat of the engine bay. It retains the standard intake duct at the front here, and we've got a nice shiny new silicone as well. Can't really see much of the filter other than through these vents at the top, but you can definitely hear the filter. So we'll put a clip in on what that sounds like, just loading it up static on the brake, and then we'll go out on a road test, see what it sounds like on the road. So, definitely a big sound increase when loading up static. Question is, can you hear it on the road? Definitely hear it. It's exactly what you'd expect from an open cone filter, very induction-y. Especially, I've got it in manual now, putting it under a little bit of load as I'm coming out of the roundabouts. You can definitely hear a lot of intake of air. Sounds pretty good. I think I mentioned it at the beginning of this video, this Amarok has got our 2872 turbo on there, so it's not exactly standard power wise, probably knocking on 400 horsepower, but we'll find out in another video when we get it on the dyno. But I think good results from the Ramair kit. Most people are going to be buying this kit because it makes induction noises, so ticks that box. And then hopefully on the dyno, especially with this big turbo, might even see a few more horsepower, but that's for a different video. So if you like the look and sound of this kit, the link will be in the description below, so you'll be able to buy it from there. Apart from that, thanks again for watching. See you in the next video.